Let me share the screen. All right, so let us start the session, sir. Let me test. Good. Next, straight away, I will jump into the topic. Please focus. Yeah, still we are running with the same topic. Hurry. Work అవుతుంది కదా అవునా ఈ రూమ్ చాలా హాట్గా ఉంది మాస్టారు ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ 26 yeah we done this hold on let me open the material as well very quickly all right online team is my voice is clear can I get a one response please at least one response good thank you sorry you need to talk what is the currently running topic changing yeah renaming the columns actually renaming what exactly columns we can rename the columns in two ways the first one by using rename method next one by using columns attribute next one by using first one is important we are using real time in more scenario rename method actually and how we are renaming the columns same thing like that we can rename the index also we can rename what exactly index yeah I will explain yesterday I have explained very clearly to change a single column name to change what exactly single column name to change multiple column names also here simple we just need to create a dictionary we just need to create a dictionary having key and values key should be existing column name value should be new column name which column name you want that column name you have to specify actually are we done like this team are we done yeah, good single column we done multiple columns changing multiple column names actually by using column attribute by using what exactly column attribute I'm sure these are all things we done actually while using columns attribute come on I have one question anything is pending from my side material upload anything is pending no good now in a straight away I'm jumping into the topic actually please focus on this one please right sir whenever you are creating a data frame assuming that data frame having column 1 column 2 next one is what exactly column 3 something like this am I right or not sir at the same time this is having 0 1 2 3 am I right good what is the column names column 1 column 2 what is index names yeah here we do have a data here we do have what exactly data 1 next one is data 2 next one is data 3 next one data 4 these are like this actually keep on it will goes like actually keep in mind that from yesterday onwards we are simply playing with name of the columns and today we are going to playing with name of the index you should understand this topic is talking about you should understand actually the today topic will be hello Daniel instead of 0 can I rename as a triple one instead of 3 can I rename as a triple three something like that actually we can do that we can do that actually here also the method name is the same sir method name is the same what is the method name rename method actually come on sir rename is a predefined method this theory I can read later actually this theory I can read later let me explain like this first of all let me create a data frame I hope you know very well how to create this kind of data frame actually am I right what is the name of the columns order ID, customer name, product. Pretty well name of the columns. Whenever you're talking about the column names, ensure that column name should be single word. If it is having two words, all are lowercase. And if it is having more than single word, it should be joined with what exactly? Underscore symbol. Name of the column is something like a name of the variable. Name of what exactly, sir? You have to understand that syntax. Good. Here I'm creating a data frame with the help of dictionary. Am I right? I hope you know right how to create this one. Come on, let me create this. Let me create this. And to save this example, definitely we need a folder. Let me create a folder, sir. Now, focus, please. Control S, demo1.py, demo1.py. All files, go to the program, save this example. Successfully, we have created a data frame. Do you think we'll get a file not found error? Huh? I will cry, sir, because here we are using, can I say this is the handy data frame? We are using dictionary to create a data frame. We are using dictionary to create a data frame. Keep in mind that. Good. Now, the next point will be changing the index in a data frame. First of all, what is existing indexes? Existing indices is 0, 1, 2. How to get all indices? Dot index actual. Very good. Now just try to come here. Where I need to add? Do you think here actually? Where I need to add? Come on. df1 dot. Sir, you know, who are all done practice, they're responding. Who are all done practice, they're responding actually. Good. We are getting what is index position? 0. What is end position? 3. Hold on. Now come here. If you want, you can change the index also. How we are changing index, you know? Simple. Here we are creating a again dictionary. All keys. Where are all 0 is available? I don't want 0. Instead of 0, what I need actually? 77. Instead of 1, 88. Instead of 2, 99. df1 dot rename method index equals to what exactly? I. Can I say this is my favorite syntax actually? What is that name? Very good. Keep in mind that. Very, very important, sir. That syntax is very, very important. Come on. I need your help actually. I equals to, let us create a dictionary. Let us create what exactly? Dictionary. Where are all 0 is available? I need what exactly? Tell me one value. Can I tell 99? Up to you. Next one is 1. Where are all 1 is available? Double 2. Where are all 2 is available? Can somebody say? Double 5. Very good. Intentional I'm giving randomly. Now, you know what? df1, I mean df1 dot rename method. And here, let me just try to provide index equals to what I need to provide. Talk with me. I good. Now, this point you need to understand, sir. What is the point? You know, rename is a predefined method. Rename method is working with the existing data frame. Then the data frame changed actually. What is the change here? All indices changed. Am I right? Then rename method will create a new data frame. Rename method will create what exactly? New data frame. That's why we need to assign with another variable. That's why we need to assign with what exactly? Another variable. Let me repeat one more time. There is a method. Method is returning new object. Method is returning new object actually. Rename method works with the existing data frame. It returns new data frame. Can somebody talk with me? In Python, same point we covered. Where exactly? Awesome, sir. Nice explanation. In Python, there is a topic string. There is a method. What is the method name? Replace. Super, sir. That's what we have to compare like that actually. Did you understand? Good. Now just try to come here. Let me print df1 and let me print df2. Now execute this example. Come on, easy. Something went wrong. What went wrong? Tell me. Come on, very good. Provide a comma here, provide comma. Do you think here? Nice. You catch the point. Seriously, very good. We are playing with the data frame. That's it. I'm sure previously you understand how to change the name of the columns. Now you understand how to change indices actually. Good. Online team, are you following? Most of the guys joined over online actually today. It is okay, cool. Move on to the next discussion. By using index attribute also, same concepts are like a columns attribute. How would you have? By using index attribute also we can do. Come on, this example you can easy to understand. Df1 dot indices equals to index equals to list of values we are providing, and df1 dot index, it will work with existing data frame. It will work with what exactly? Existing data frame only. Current to data frame only will change. Current to data frame only will change. It never create a new data frame. That point you need to understand. Okay, take this example. Previously, one student asked a question. What is the question? Previous student question. Student question. What is the question? Why you are Array Daniel? He asked like this directly. Array Daniel, it is okay. Why you are assigning df1 dot rename method, df1 dot what exactly? Rename method to another object. Another what exactly? Another object to another object as a df2. First of all, did you understand the question? What is the question? Hello Daniel, why you are assigning to this one? Answer is very simple, sir. Yeah, back in what exactly happened, this rename method taking that object, performing changes, giving the new object. Giving what exactly? Hey, this is something like a transformation, sir. I hope you know butterfly. Butterfly having the stages, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, how it is transforming. Here also, df1 is the first transformation. Rename method will perform second transformation. Then it is giving the new data frame. It is giving what exactly? This is really beautiful. If it is giving new data frame, in your hand, two data frames. Old data frame you do have, current data frame also you do have. Suddenly your manager came. Your manager is asking, show me the old data frame. Where it is available? df1. Your lead came. He is asking, show me the modified data frame. Where it is available? df2. Super. This is really beautiful actually. I hope you understand. Can I get a response? Good man. Answer is simple, sir. It's easy, sir. You see, rename method perform changes over df1 and giving another new data frame as a result. As what exactly? Result. So we are assigning. Did you understand? Good man, very good. You guys are very good in understanding. Let's move on very quickly. I'm sure this example you are capable to do actually, but anyway, in a quickly, let us just try to apply these are all. I'm copy pasting. Is it fine for you? If you say no also I will do, sir. Why? Because you know this kind of topic actually very well. Execute this example. Before updating we are printing, after updating we are printing. Before updating, after updating. Interesting, very interesting. Can I ask a question? What is my question now? Just try to see what is error. Nice. What is error? Nice. Enough, sir. You catch the points actually. Now you may think like this. Df1 dot index. Index is working with the old data frame only. There is no new data frame here. Now what you need to understand, in this given example, two data frames. In this given example, do let me know only one data frame. Only what exactly? One data. That's why before doing updation, I'm printing. After updating, I'm printing with the same object name. With what exactly? That really matters. You have to remember. You have to practice like that only. Are you getting? Good man. Hey, if you want, let me give a small example, sir. Uh, S1 equals to Daniel. S1 equals to what exactly? Daniel. Now let me just try to print S1. What is output actually? Daniel. Good. Now S1 dot upper method. S1 dot what exactly? What exactly it happens, upper method is working with S1 and giving new string object. Upper method is working with the old string and it is giving new string. Exactly. Something like that you need to understand. Now see, S1 and S2. Take this example. Most of the time, methods returns new objects, sir. Most of the time, methods returns new object. Just try to say. First to Daniel, coming from which object? Talk with me. Second object coming from? Nice. Understand like that. This is really great practice. Method calling, assigning with another variable and you can access. Really good practice. Yeah. Changing index. Wow. Now go back to the example. Go back to the example. Where is example? Come here. Now access this example one more time. Now what exactly we are doing here? See, though the indices values will be 0, 1, 2, we are trying to changing the index. Can I say this is a small data frame? Am I right or not, sir? Small data frame. What are all indices values? 0, 1, 2. That's it. Only three values. But let us take a more than 10, more than 20. Or else let us load the data frame. Let us load what exactly? Data frame. Let us load a CSV file, creates a data frame, lot of indices. Now let us change the index actually. Let us change what exactly? Index. Did you understand? Good. Let's try that one. Frankly tell me, are you getting everyone? Getting right? What is the topic? Data science, right? Now pandas renaming column names and index actually. Previously one student told what is the topic means data science actually. Good. I wanted to write, sir. Tell me. Import pandas as pd. Df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. What is the file, sir? Sales 31. Sales 31 dot csv. Now let us just try to print. Let us just try to make it df1. Here also df1. Now execute this example. What is output? Very nice. Nice response. Very good. File not found error. How to fix actually? Yeah. Go back and get the file. Simple, simple, very simple. Focus. All file sales 31. Wow. Very good. Anyway, we have created a data frame. Yeah. Inside that data call, inside that file, how many columns would you have? How many columns actually? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many rows? 10 actually. Can I say 11 rows? No. Why? Because don't think like this is the row, that is the header. Header is not countable. Header is what exactly? I wanted to get rows and columns, sir. How to get it out actually? Okay, very good. Now just try to come here. df1 dot shape. Do you think parenthesis? No, because it is a nice, very nice, man. I wanted to capture all name of the columns. How to capture? Columns. I wanted to know the information about the data frame. How to get it? Super, sir. You prepared very nicely. Let us jump into the straight away example. Previously, though data frame is a very small, we created a small dictionary and we updated the values. Am I right? Now I have taken a lot of values actually. If you create a dictionary, almost 10 keys you have to write, 20 values I mean 10 values you have to write, almost you have to type a lot actually. Assuming that there is a data frame having the 14 lakhs rows actually. How many rows? Now suddenly lead asked update the index actually. Will you create a dictionary? Gone case. It takes a lot of time. Instead of that time, what we need to do, just try to come here. Hey, did you remember the range function? Did you remember what function actually? Range function. There is a function. Function name is called as the range actually. Range of starting value, range of end value. 20 means, yeah, I know that one, but what is the 20? 20 minus 1, what is the value? 9. Keep in mind that df1 dot index of Left hand side, instead of hard coding with the list, left hand side, instead of hard coding with the list, let us create a range of value. Let us create what exactly? Sir, creating a list of 10 values might be difficult for us. Creating a list of 100 index might be difficult for us. 1 crore difficult for us. Instead of that, let us use advantage of range. Let us use advantage of what exactly? Range actually. Code. Yep, we done this one. Now let us just try to maintain some social distance. Let us print the data frame 1. Check it out. This is seriously super. Now here, do you think the index is updated because of dictionary actually? No, I didn't use dictionary. I didn't use what exactly? Dictionary. What is the topic I have used actually? Range function. See, uh, range topic. Where I covered any idea? On which topic I covered? Data types. What is the topic name? Data type. That day, that example is a basic example. Frankly speaking, this is somewhat very important example. This is the realistic way uses of the range function actually. Did you understand? Go take this example. We are almost near to close the chapter, sir. We are almost near to close the chapter actually. Next example. Changing column and index in a data frame. In a one shot, what exactly we are doing? Look at the data frame. First to data frame, ORDID, customer name, product. We are changing order underscore ID, customer underscore name, product underscore product actually. Something like a making as a lowercase. Am I right? Good. 012. 012. Instead of that one, 333, 444, 555. We can do like this actually. Can we do this one? Can we change actually? Simple, sir. df1 dot index, df1 dot columns, and we can do like this actually. Come on. In a one shot, we are changing name of the columns. We are changing, tell me, index. Good. All right. Now just try to come here. Print. And let me just try to print what exactly? df1. Very good. Execute this example. Yes. Take this example. That's it, sir. Oh. Converting column names from lower. This is very, very important, sir. Please focus. Such a nice example. Such a nice example. Please focus. First of all, let me show you. Let me show you the output actually. Yeah. First of all, look at the first two data frame. In a first two data frame, what exactly we are doing, ORDID, customer name, cust ID, prod name, product cost. Would have a name of the columns actually. In a updated data frame, what exactly we are doing? Did you notice? Column names converting into capital. Column names converting into, generally, come here. Just now I covered unknowingly. S equals to Daniel. I wanted to convert into uppercase. I wanted to convert into what exactly? Uppercase. What I need to do? S dot upper. See, this is the way. This is what exactly? Way. A single string we can convert into lowercase to uppercase. A single string we can convert from lowercase to what exactly? Uppercase. This is possible. Absolutely possible. Good. Same thing like that. Hey, Daniel, I do have a data frame. I do have what exactly? Data frame actually. Now let me just try to create the data frame. Get access this one. Now what is my requirement? I just wanted to change name of the columns case actually. What is the file name? Sales 3. What is the file name actually? Instead of sales 3, 31 also you can take it out actually. Am I right or not, sir? File name, anything you can take it out. Good. Very good. Now I have created a data frame, order ID, ORDID, cust name, customer ID, prod name, product cost actually. Am I right? Good. What is my requirement? I just wanted to convert all these lower case into uppercase. I wanted to convert what exactly? lowercase into uppercase. Such a nice, interesting scenario, sir. How to convert, just try to come here. It's a very simple. df dot columns. First of all, access this one. First of all, try to access this one. All name of the columns will get it out actually. What you will get it out actually? Tell me all name of the columns. df1 dot columns. See, you are getting all name of the columns. Am I right? Just try to see all name of the columns you are getting. Maintain some gap so that output you can feel pretty well actually. Good. Seems to be we are capturing all name of the columns. Then what we need to do, so all these name of the columns is storing in one object. Is storing in what exactly? One object actually. Convert this object into string object. Convert this object into what exactly? Why we are converting into string, because inside string there is a method. What is that method name? Upper. Let me tell you, sir. First of all, this is some object. Ignore what kind of object, but that doesn't matter for us. If you convert this existing object into string object, then we can call upper method. We can call what exactly? Upper method. How to convert, this is the way. Dot str. Dot what exactly? Str. Str is a attribute here actually. Str is what exactly? Keep in mind that inside this index object, inside what exactly? Index object, there is an attribute. Attribute name is what exactly? Str. Whenever you are calling like this one, this total line returns string method object. It returns what exactly? String method object. Just seriously amazing, sir. There is a separate class they have written actually inside in pandas. Now if it is returning like this one, what is the beauty, sir? Do let me know. You can call what exactly? Upper. Wow, seriously super. Did you understand? Let me help you one more time. Come on, come on, come on. Look at me, please. Please understand this example first of all. What exactly I'm planning, let me print the df1. Let me print what exactly? df1. We are getting all data frame, and generally I don't want this data frame. My requirement will be, let me convert all these name of the columns case sensitive, lowercase to uppercase. Lowercase to what exactly? Uppercase. To convert that one, first of all, let us just try to access all name of the columns. How to access? Very good. You connected actually. We are getting all name of the columns. Cool. Yeah, we got it. Now what we need to do, simple. There is no deep dive actually. Convert the existing object into string object. Convert the existing object into what exactly? How you can convert, whenever you are calling this one, it is returning some object actually. Inside that object, there is one attribute. Attribute name is called as a str. Attribute name is called as what exactly? Can I ask a question? How to prove? Super, sir. You connected actually. dir of df1 dot columns you can provide. You can get str. You can get what exactly? Are you getting? Good man. Now execute this example. It is returning string method. One object it is returning. One some object it is returning. I don't want this blah blah object. Then what I'm planning, call one method. What is the method actually? Upper. Hey, seems to be. How many dots actually? Dot number 1, dot number 2, dot number 3. Am I right? This is called as a chaining. This is called as what exactly? Chaining actually. Right. Chain call. You can call this one. Now observe this one. Cool. Now what exactly happened? Do let me know. All lowercase converted into. Now can I print the data frame? Can I print the data frame? Now let us print the data frame. Do you think data frame changed actually? No. Means here we just performed an operation. We didn't assign. See, data frame didn't change it actually. If you wanted to assign, what we need to do, just try to come here, assign this operation. df1 dot columns equals to, take this total operation and apply here. Take this total operation and what exactly, sir? Apply here. This is before conversion. Next one is what exactly? This is after conversion. Team, are you with me? This total operation we are assigning into df1 dot columns. This total operation we are assigning into df1 dot columns. If any questions, come on. Happy to assist you. Super, sir. I hope you understand. I'm sure you understand very well actually. Can I get a response? Good, very good. Take this example. Hold on. There are a few questions from the online team. Just now I started looking at your chart actually. Begum ma'am. Sir, index stores the position of the value. Index stores the position of value. So when we are changing the index, does the position of the value? No, it never change. It never change actually. Okay, sir, can't we access directly without STR? Can't we access directly without STR? Kusumo ma'am, we cannot actually. Okay, this is the best way. We do have an alternative, but this is the best way. All right, come on. Done, man. This topic is done. I'm sure, I hope you understand this one actually. Now let me tell you, let me give a overview about this topic. Let me give what exactly, just an overview. Sriram sir, very good. We can do that operation as well. There are many operations we can perform. Very nice. Good. So what is the topic name? Pandas data frame renaming columns and what exactly? Index actually. First of all, let us take a columns. Let us take what exactly? Columns. We can rename in it two ways, man. First one is by using rename method and the second one is by using df dot columns attribute. Next one, index. First one by using rename method. If it is a method, then what we need to do? No, df1 dot. Okay, df dot. Good. Df dot. Next one is what exactly? Df dot index. Sorry, index attribute. That's it, man. Apart from that, nothing. We're done. Let me close this chapter. Close it actually. Go back and change the status. Can I change this one? Yep. Next one is in place parameter. So I would like to say this is the running topic. After this one, what is the topic you need to understand? 12th topic. After this one, what is the topic? You know, the topic name is a 12th. Number is a 12 data frame. Handling missing value. What is the topic name? Handling missing value. Sir, my favorite topic, sir. Maybe today we are going to start. We'll see accordingly. Upcoming upcoming topic. First of all, let me handle this topic. Usma ma'am, sorry for saying some is a quite different. Some is a quite different actually. Do one thing. Separately work with some method and str. You will understand clearly. Means, yeah, very important. Keep in mind that 100 stars actually, 1000 also you can give. Very important. What is the topic name? Tell me. In place parameter during interview. So any, if you are going for interview without preparing this question, don't go for interview, sir. Assuming that you uploaded your resume, you didn't prepare this topic, you got interview call actually. Tell them, sorry, I didn't prepare one topic actually. Once I prepared, I will call you back. Tell them directly. Why? Because damn sure interview question. So the topic name is a pandas data frame in place parameter. What is that one? In place parameter. The very popular question actually. Not end to end. I will help you with one example. Not end to end. I will help you with example. How to, beautiful soap is a library. I do have good hands-on experience. By using this one, we can do web scraping. Web scraping. Right? I will help you with few examples, boss. All right. Let's move on. Can I hold this one here actually? Is it fine? Good. First of all, in place parameter, am I right? Yeah, good. Now please observe this one. First of all, let me explain in a normal way, then you will understand very clearly. You do let me know, sir. I have a one question for you. Let us work with, there is a relation. Rename method one more time. What method actually? Rename method one more time actually. One more time. Then we will understand, we will understand what is the, we will understand in place parameter topic. What is the topic name actually? In place parameter. First of all, understand rename method. Then I hope you already understand. That's what for your kind information, I would like to tell, uh, especially this material prepared by Daniel, order is important. What is important, sir? Order. Intentionally I kept this topic here only, it fit in that order only. If you are changing this one to here, gone case actually, you cannot understand. My material will be something like a 1 2 3 4 5 6, like a order actually. Don't jumble the topic. Without preparing the fourth topic, don't jump into the 11. Without preparing the first topic, don't prepare what exactly? Second topic actually. Conclusion of the story. What is the topic name? In place parameter, depending upon the previous topic. Depends on what exactly? Previous topic. What is the previous topic actually? Renaming. Come on. In one shot, I hope you know very well actually how to change the name of the columns. I wanted to hear from you. Tell me, import pandas as pd, df equals to pd dot read underscore csv. What is the existing file would you have? Sales. Very nice, man. Now let us just try to print off what exactly df. I wanted to change the name of the columns actually. Can I change like this? We can do, sir. How to do actually? Do one thing. Df1 dot columns. First of all, copy paste all name of the columns here actually. Get all name of the columns here. Get all name of the columns here. Just for rough calculation. Good. Now just ready. Let me just try to change actually. Come on, let us create a data dictionary. Let us create what exactly? Dictionary. I don't want word column name is as a ord. Can somebody help me? uh, Order id. Sorry. Come on. Can I say order underscore id? Am I right? Anything wrong? It is okay. Single quote also fine, sir. Single quote, double quote, triple quote, anything is fine actually in Python programming language. Right. Now take this one. Quotes doesn't matter. I'm repeating one more time. Here quotes doesn't matter. Customer underscore ID. Sir, I need your help, sir. Please. Next one is a cust ID. Cust ID. What happened? Custom. Oh, sorry, sir. Customer name. Okay, good. Customer name. Customer name. Yeah. Good. Come on, let me delete one more time for your satisfaction. Is it fine? Yeah. Your ego will satisfy actually. Now you tell me what I need to write, sir. Thank you. Very good. Customer underscore name. Thank you, sir. Now let me write one more thing. What is the next one? Customer ID. Yeah, cust ID and a column and a single quote. Tell me CUSTMOER underscore ID. Good. Next one is prod name. Product name. Correct, sir. Next one is what exactly? Product cost. Tell me, sir. Next name is product cost. Sir, you can try for a trainer actually. Your voice is very good. Yeah, very good. I will train you. Very nice actually. Very good. Come on. Now, how to change the name of the columns? You guys please help me. Come on, sir. DF. Can I make it? This is the DF1. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Very good. Now just try to come here. Just try to come here. df2 equals to df1 dot rename. You guys are thinking like what happened to this Daniel? He already explained this example. Am I right? Now hold. Yes, sir. Now hold on, sir. I will tell you why I'm explaining these role stuff. DF2. Yeah, please observe this one. I hope I already printing DF1 also. Let me just try to print DF1. Let me just try to print what exactly? DF1 actually. Good, good, good. Come on. Wow. Sir, can I say there are two data frames? Can I say? Sir, what exactly happened, Look at my diagram very clearly. Very good. Initially, we created a data frame number one. We created what exactly? Data frame number one. Just to assuming that, imagine, assuming that this data frame size is 1000 GB. What is the size actually? Just assuming that. Then what you applied actually? df1 dot rename you applied. What you applied, sir? df1 dot rename you applied actually. Whenever you are applying rename method, what exactly happened? New data frame created. Am I right? Then new data frame also having the size. What might be the size actually? Assuming the 1000 GB only. What is the size? Just imagine. Keep in mind that. Are boss initially df1. Initially df1. What is the size? 1000 GB. You perform some change over the existing data frame. Because of the small change, a new data frame is creating. What is creating? New data frame also will occupy the size. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now let me show you practically what exactly happened. Initially df1. Initially, what exactly, sir? df1. One data frame created. What exactly happened? One data frame created. Now, can I take this data frame actually? I need bigger diagram. Yeah. Now just try to come here. Let us snap this. Let us fit here actually. Sir, what exactly happened? Can I say this is the DF1? Very good. I would like to say this data frame 1, the size will be what exactly, sir? 1000 GB. What is the size actually? In your laptop, there is a file. That file size will be 1000 GB. What is the file? 1000 GB. The 1000 GB file loaded actually. Separate memory allocated. Just what you are thinking, you are looking at the movie. Man, column names are not in a proper way. Let us just try to rename actually. Let us just try to do what exactly? Rename. You are calling the rename method. You are calling what exactly? Sir, because of this rename method, what exactly happened, what exactly happened? Another object created. What exactly happened? Another object created. Now just try to see this one. Good. Take this one. Now just try to observe this one actually. Conclusion of the story. Assuming that unnecessarily you are wasting the memory. What exactly you're doing? Wasting the memory. Generally, what is the existing file size? Tell me. 1000 GB. And here also, can I say new data frame created actually? What data frame created? New data frame. Then what is the total size actually in your laptop? 2000 GB occupied. For what purpose? 1000 GB. Now let me repeat. I'm repeating one more time. Rename method performing change in the existing data frame, and it is returning new data frame. It is returning what exactly? New data frame also will occupy the space. New data frame also will occupy the space. This is the scenario. Now, I don't want new object. I don't want what exactly? New object. Now just try to come here. Array Daniel, I don't want this object actually. I wanted to be changes in the existing object. I wanted to be changes in what exactly? Existing object. Then you have to go for in place parameter. Then you have to go for what exactly? In place parameter. Did you understand? I will explain one more time. Come on, look at my screen very clearly. Sir, it's a very simple, sir. There is a method name is called as a rename method. There is a method name is called as what exactly? Rename method. Rename method performing changes on the existing object, and it is recreating new object. It is recreating what exactly? Because of this recreating, unnecessarily one more 1000 GB data is the same, just to name of the columns is different. Data is the same. What is the data here? 837. What is the data here? 837. Only small change. What is the small change? Name of the columns changed. Just because of small change, One more 1000 GB you are wasting the memory. One more 1000 GB you are wasting what exactly? Memory. Instead of wasting the memory, hello Daniel, I don't want to create a new object. Whenever I'm performing any changes over the existing data frame, I wanted to change original data frame only. I wanted to change original data frame only. Then you have to go for in place parameter topic. Then you have to go for what exactly? In place parameter topic. Did you understand? Now let me tell you. In place parameter will perform changes on original object instead of creating new object. In place is something like a replace. In place is something like what exactly? Replace actually. Did you understand? Right. Now let's move on to the discussion. Sir, damn sure interview question, sir. We do have Arati boss. We do have count method. Practically, let me show you. Open the material. Please keep in mind this diagram very well. If you want, I will explain one more time also. Yeah. In place is a parameter for a data frame methods. Whenever you are talking about the in place parameter, you can use for, as of now, we covered rename method. Now think about only rename method, drop method, short method, set method. These are all upcoming methods. These are all what exactly? Upcoming methods. Now let me tell you. In place parameter, you can use keyword argument as a rename method. In place parameter, you can use keyword argument actually. You can use that one. I will tell you. This in place parameter accept two values, either true or false. Either what exactly? True or false. In place parameter equals to false means it cannot override the existing object. Means by default, rename method is creating a new object. Rename method creating what exactly? New object. Hey, I don't want new object means what you need to do, just rename of here, rename of in place equals to true you need to provide. What you need to provide actually? True you need to provide. Sir, if you are providing true, ensure that get ready. All changes will be applicable on original object. All changes will be applicable on what exactly? Original object actually. Did you understand? Once you applied in place, there is no concept of new object. There is no concept of what exactly? New object actually. Come on. Simple words. In place means that you should update the original object instead of creating what exactly? Practically, let me show you. You can connect very well actually. Are you ready? Yeah, can we show you? Let me show you. Rename method without in place parameter. Read everyone. Rename method without in place parameter. One more time. Come on, look at my screen very clearly. Just try to observe this one. What exactly happened here? Now, just try to come here. Take this one. Please observe this exam very nicely. Observe this example very nicely actually. I will explain step by step. Be patient. See what exactly I am doing. I will help you. Dictionary. Online team, kindly please hold on. Let me finish my explanation. If any further questions, happy to assist you, sir. Please hold on. Yeah. First line, we are importing the pandas. Good. Second line, we are loading the data. We are loading the CSV file, creating the data frame. What is my data frame name? DF1. Good. And later I'm creating a dictionary. Later I'm creating what exactly? Dictionary. Dictionary having a keys and values. Dictionary having what exactly? Here keys should be existing data frame column names. Am I right? Good. Values is new column name. Hey man, I don't want ORD ID. I need a order ID. I don't want customer name. I need what exactly? Customer underscore name. Something like this. Then print of df1 dot head actual. Print of what exactly? df1 dot head. Very good. Now let us just try to come here. Run this example. Let me show you. Run this example. Yeah. What is the file, sir? Tell me. Sales 3. Go back and get the sales 3. Sales 3. Sales 3. Where it is? Here it is. Now run the example. Very quickly. Come on. Look at my screen. Perfectly all right. Am I right? Good. Now come here. I'm planning for changing the name of the column. I'm planning for what exactly? Changing the name of the column. df1 dot rename. df1 dot what exactly? Rename actually. Then columns equals to d. Columns equals to what exactly, sir? D. Now here you need to understand one important point, sir. What is the point, Sir, rename method not perform change on existing object. It perform change an existing object and already created a new object. Already created what exactly? But you are not assigning actually. You are not assigning what exactly? Assigning to df2. Still, if you are printing, old data frame only will come. Still, if you are printing, what data frame will come? Old data frame only. Now just try to see here actually. Just try to see. Changes are not applicable. Changes are not applied actually. But if you wanted to see changes, what we need to do? Any idea? Assign dft equals something like this. Then here what I need to print actually? Yeah. Did you understand that one? Now conclusion of the story. Rename method created a new data frame. If you wanted to see the changes, go to that data frame. Go to what exactly? That data frame. Now the point will be, Are boss, why I need a new data frame? Why I need new data frame? I want changes in existing data frame only. I don't want to create a new data frame. I wanted to perform changes on original object only. I don't want to perform, I don't want to create a new object. Then what you need to do, just to come here, syntax expanding. My favorite topic actually. What is the topic name? Yeah, in place equals to true. Now see, if this is not available, previously no changes actually. Just now I have added that one. Look at, wow, seriously super, sir. Did you understand? This point you need to understand actually. Now let me show you one more time. Come on, come on. Look at my screen very well. If no in place parameter, changes are not applied on the original object. Here, what exactly you are printing? You are trying to printing original object. You are trying to printing what exactly? Original object. No in place parameter. No in place parameter. This method created a new object. In space, it is created a new object actually. If you wanted to see, you have to assign with one variable and you can see. Now my requirement will be, Arey man, I don't want to assign into the another object actually. I wanted to perform changes on existing object. I wanted to perform changes on what why I'm repeating these many times, I have given almost more than 10 interviews being a data scientist. Every interview asked this question, sir. Every interview actually. When I'm taking a seat, they will ask, tell me about in-place parameter actually. Are boss, let me take a seat. First I will explain something like that. That much very, very important actually, right? Now, just try to come here. I wanted to apply changes on the original object. I wanted to apply changes on what exactly? Original object. What I need to do? Comma. What I need to do? In place equals to true. Very good. In place equals to what exactly? True actually. Now see, previously, this is the result. Just I have added this one, sir. Just I have added this one. This is seriously super. Now, according to the explanation, there is no object actually. There is no object. Frankly speaking, there is no object actually. Object is not created. This change is applied on what exactly? Original, original. These are all values changed. These are all values changed to this one actually. Did you understand? I hope you understand, sir. Good. Now let me explain. These points you will understand. Rename is a predefined method in data frame. This you need to practice. This example, until you practice, you cannot connect actually. Okay. Rename is a predefined method in a data frame. We can access rename method by using data frame object. We can even change multiple column names by using what exactly? Rename method. This is a kind of small revision. Good. Go back to the next example. Rename method with in place parameter. Rename method with what exactly? In place parameter. Rename is a rename of p comma p means parrot, am I right? Parameter, sir. In place equals to true. It is a predefined method in a data frame. We can provide in place parameter to a rename method. If you provide in place parameter, then directly changes will be applicable on what exactly? Original data frame. This point is very, very important, sir. This point is important as per the today discussion. Next, one more point. Whenever if you apply in place equals to true, then whenever if you apply in place equals to true, then it should update original data frame object instead of creating what exactly? New data frame. I'm sure you understand actually. Still, if you're unable to understand, don't worry, I will help you, sir. These 2 points are very, very important, man. Very, very important actually. If anyone is asking about explain about the in place parameter, these 2 lines you need to explain. These 2 lines you need to explain. Now, real time scenario, let me tell you. Sir, assuming that, look at my screen very well. Assuming that this is my laptop, real time scenario, Daniel laptop actually. Inside Daniel laptop, only the space is 100 GB. Only the space is what exactly? 100 GB. Only space why do we have actually? Then there is a file name is called as a sales 3.csv. This file size is 90 GB. What is the file size? 90 GB, assuming that. Then what is my laptop size? 100 GB. What is my laptop size? Out of 100 GB, how much space already gone? 90 GB. What is the pending? What is the remaining? 10 actually. Good. I have written one small demo one example. Demo one example. The problem is change the name of the column. Change what exactly? Change the name of the columns. Name of what exactly? Columns. Yes, I'm very good in pandas. Then what I done actually? I call a one method. Yeah, very good. I have created a one data frame. Now the data frame one successfully, when I'm loading the file, the step number one, when I'm loading the file, data frame created actually. Seriously super. What is the size of this object? Do let me know. Just tell me. 90 GB, assuming that there is object created 90 GB. Just imagine actually. Then let me know. Sorry for laughing. 90 GB. 90 GB. Good. Sir, unfortunately, you are calling dot rename method. What method? Dot rename method actually. Whenever you are calling dot rename method, what exactly happened? Do let me know. Rename, yeah, very good. You connected actually. Whenever you are calling this one, because of this one, new object will be created. Assuming that this new object name is what exactly? df2. Here, name of the column is A. Just imagine. Here, I changed name of the column is the B. I changed what exactly? Name of the column is B. Do let me know what this object size should be. 100 GB. But in my laptop, 100 GB is available. No doubt at all, you may get a problem in your laptop actually. Your program, your laptop, resource allocation may not happen actually. Instead of creating new object, I don't want new object creation. Hurry man, I don't want this topic actually. I don't want, sir. Then what I need to do, tell me? Yeah, very good. I hope you connected. Here, what you need to do? In place equals to B. In place equals to what exactly? True. Then instead of this A will be done actually. Then what is the value it will come here actually? I'm sure you understand, sir. If you understand now also, I'm sorry, I don't know what to say actually. Did you understand? Come on, I hope you understand. Nice. Let me talk with online team. Please, I don't want to read any message I didn't understand actually. Let me pray to God. After changes, can we get old? No, no way. That's a beautiful question. Once if you applied in place parameters, sir, there is no way of old data frame actually. There is no way of what exactly? Old data frame. That's the point you need to understand. Arthi, I can cover access later actually. Can I ask a question? Do you know pandas? Arati, I need a response from you. You already know pandas? Keshava, you cannot. Then how you know access actually? I'm sorry for cross questioning. Anyway, you can ignore the discussion. Later I can cover. But let me tell you, if anyone already knows pandas, frankly speaking, you know small shorter topics actually. From my topics, you will understand very clear. Am I right or not, sir? No worries at all. Let's move on. Good. This is explanation about this one actually. Now you can read this point, you will understand. In place is a parameter for a data frame method. This method you can apply on rename method, drop method, short underscore value. These are all upcoming methods I can cover later actually. Are you getting? As of now, understand only one method. What is that method name? Rename. Tell me, sir. Good. Let me close this chapter. See, though it is important, I made it, this one is a separate topic actually. That's what you have to understand. Seems to be small topic only, but I made it separate topic. Then you never forget actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Keep in mind that. Handling missing value. Such a nice topic, sir. We are covering now. Now the muhurtam is good actually. Can we start? Yeah. I'm kidding, sir. During marriage, we'll see what exactly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. How many of? Okay, let's move on. I'm scaring actually. Good. I need to raise my hand first actually. If I'm asking how many of you married, yes, little bit. I know, very small. Oh, very good. No worries, sir. No worries. Yeah, come to the point. Sir, if you wanted to become as a data scientist, if you wanted to become what exactly? Data scientist. The very first one, you should be strong in Python, sir. You should be what exactly? No compromise. If you don't know Python in your lifetime, you never become as a data scientist. There is no alternative. Don't look for the shortcut. Be strong in Python. Python means what I covered, that is more than enough. Python means what exactly? What I covered, that is more than enough. Now let me tell you, I'm sure. All right, all right. Good. First of all, you should become as a Python strong. Second one will be, sir, no doubt at all. Second subject is the pandas. Second subject is what exactly? Sir, let me tell you. If data science is very strong, I'm sorry, very strong. If data science is the total 100%, data science is what exactly? 100%. Till here, if you are prepared very well, 70 out of 100, you can get score automatically. Just because of Python and pandas, 70% you understand the data science very well. Frankly speaking, trust me. So you have to focus more and more on Python and pandas. Very, very important, sir. Please don't skip actually. Don't skip. Not even single line, don't skip actually. When I'm asking about what is a class, I need two definitions. When I'm asking about what is a method, what is an object, I need how many definitions I have given? Three definitions. When I'm asking about the upper method, you have to tell pin to pin, point to point. Then only you should be very good actually. Can I tell one small point actually? What is the point, you know? I have my senior, my senior. My senior name is a, there are two persons in my life. They guided me very well actually. First person name is a Suresh Anna. Next person name is a Subbu Anna actually. I mean, I still respect those guys. They're seriously, from my bottom of the heart, I'm telling, they connected with me at right time. When I was in frustration, frankly speaking, I was a jobless actually. I don't have a job. I done my training. I done my what exactly? Training actually. I done my training, and one day I connected with Suresh Anna. Now the Suresh Anna guided actually. First of all, when I connected with Suresh Anna, frankly speaking, he is master in Java, sir. He's master in what exactly? Java. I mean, we should not talk in front of him what exactly? Java, we should not talk actually. But I already trained Java also. He's working in IBM. He's working in what exactly? IBM. One day after my graduation, almost a 2 years gap actually. After 2 years gap, I done my Java course. That day before getting the job, I connected with Suresh Anna actually. When I connected with Suresh Anna, his first question will be, how good you learn Java? What is the first question, sir? My point will be, I just called to Suresh Anna and I told, and I wanted to meet you personally. Why? Because with a phone, I cannot express my feeling actually. I'm literally frustrated. I need a job. You don't know, frankly speaking, I begged many people, man, give me the job, give me, begged literally, give me a job. I'm ready to work. I'm sitting ideally in my room. These are all things actually. But later I came across, instead of begging, you have to show your I will tell you the point will be. When I connected with Suresh Anna, and I asked immediately, Anna, literally I'm in frustration. I'm unable to bear my expenses also. Instead of software job, I need to look at other job actually. But I'm not in that position. I want at any cost some software job. Then he asked a question. What is the question? How good you are in Java? Then I myself told, I prepared very well. I prepared what exactly? Very well, actually. Then he asked a question. Still, I remember the question will be, what is abstract class? What exactly, sir? Abstract class. Sir, when I'm talking about the abstract class, minimum 10 points would you have? How many points would you have? 10 points would you have? Then I replied only 1 point actually. Please don't think like I'm wasting your time. Inspiration moment actually. What he asked to do, let me know. What is an abstract class? In Java, there is a point, something like a today in Python. If I am asking what is an object actually, you may give 1 point actually. You may give what exactly? 1 point. But that object having how many points? 3 points on an average. Whenever he is asking a question, he is expecting minimum 5 points. How many points? But how many points I delivered actually? 1 point. Then what he asked, Are Nirikshan, those days, my original name, what you done in your education? What you done? What exactly in your education? I mean, he's my relative. Then he can call and he can scold also. Then what is my response? MCA. What is my reply actually? MCA. Are boss, you done graduation? You are unable to deliver minimum 5 points. Then what is the use of your studies? Let me repeat one more time. That day I literally feel, Are man, this guy is literally scolding like anything actually. Are boss, you are unable to deliver 5 points. How you will expect 50,000 job actually? Keep in mind 1 point actually. If you wanted a job, subject matter, sir. Don't beg anyone actually. That day is my turning moment actually. What I told you, Nana, I'm sorry. Then I back to my room actually. I prepared like anything, man. Then later I connected actually. On an average 10 points, right? I'm able to deliver 6 to 7. I'm able to deliver what exactly? Show always your attitude in terms of the subject. In terms of what exactly? Conclusion of the story. If I am asking a question, what is an object? If I am asking a question, what exactly? What is an object? If you are able to deliver 1 point actually, literally you wasted your entire career, sir. BSc, BA, BCom, MSc, MCA, waste actually. Why? Because you are unable to deliver how many points actually? What is the use, man? Frankly, I'm sorry for scolding actually. This is the lifetime subject. Prepare one time, it never change actually. That's really beautiful. You don't know. Such a nice subject you are learning actually. Please understand the power of the subject. Understand what exactly? Power of the subject actually. When I prepared very well, that day onwards, I stopped begging everyone actually. Why? Because I know the subject. Why I should beg actually? I used to share the profile, and if possible, you can arrange an interview. I used to give the interview actually. The point will be, I'm sorry. If I feel emotional, if I make you to feel emotional, actually, I'm extremely sorry. But that's the reality. We done 3 years course, BSc, BTech 4 years, MCA 3 years, but 3 years means on an average 600 days actually. But you are unable to deliver how many points actually? Waste, man. Our entire education is waste actually. If you wanted to tell I'm a best actually, prepare. How many points are available? Exactly prepare those points actually. Did you understand? Now it's a right time. I would like to give the one best tip actually. Best tip for the preparation. For what exactly? Preparation. Sir, can I tell how I will prepare actually? How I used to prepare? I'm sorry, am I wasting your time? Am I wasting? Let me talk with the online team. How I used to prepare. Let me ask to online team also. Online team, did you understand? Perfect. Sir, I'm extremely sorry. If my intention will be, I don't want to hurt you, but this is the fact and reality actually. This is the fact and reality. Let me tell you one small point today. Maybe the time came. Good. One best tip. Don't forget this tip in your career if you are learning about the data science actually. How I used to prepare, Let me tell. There is a Python introduction. That is the first topic what we done in our course actually. Am I right? Python, what exactly? Introduction. Sir, let me tell you. Basically, I am from Telugu medium background. What background actually? Telugu medium background. You can't believe in the year of 2010, I don't know how to say hi. You can't believe. I don't know how to say hi. I don't know how to talk in English actually. I do have a kind of fear. I mean, I don't know English. How I will learn English actually? These are all things. Because of this fear, what I used to do, in the year of 2012, if my faculty explained one topic, if my faculty explained what exactly? One topic, then that topic, I used to take white notes. I used to take what exactly, sir? White notes actually. Without seeing, minimum 5 times I used to write, sir. Without seeing the material, I will prepare once, I will close the material. I used to write a 5 times actually. I used to write what exactly? Frankly speaking, that is a secret of my preparation. That's the best practice, sir. Since childhood, our teachers used to tell, am I right? Our childhood teachers are awesome, man. Did you remember or not? I'm not sure. Still, I remember. I do have a slate actually. I used to write what exactly? A, B, C, D. Am I right or not? This one also you have to learn like that only. Don't think like you are wasting the money. Buy white books or some rough notebooks actually. If you wanted to become clear in the topic, write without seeing, man. This is the big challenge for you actually. If you are able to write without seeing, I'm sure you never forget the topics in your lifetime actually. I'm closing the discussion. Did you understand? Yeah, take this one as a personal, please. But my motto will be, I don't want to hurt you, but that was happened in my career actually. Did you understand? Fine, man. So please, it's not like a subject always. Yeah, yeah, thank you, sir. Only one type of practice. All right, good. Sir, final word. You have chosen really nice, sir. You have chosen really, this is this is really nice course. This is what exactly? Really nice course actually. Many, I'm sorry for telling one point, many poor people are available. They're ready to learn, but they don't have a money. They're ready to learn, but they don't have a money actually. During the demo, there are a couple of students actually for my old batches. They told, sir, I'm unable to pay total fee. Can you help me with some discount actually? Then I used to sign on white paper. You can go to the management and management allowed some. I'm sorry. I mean, I can help you in such a way that, but ensure that, please, you are literally learning the nice subject actually. Focus. Focus really matters actually. Did you understand? Please, you have to focus on this one. Let's move on to the discussion. Let's move on. Yeah, let's jump into the topic. Go back and from introduction to till in place parameter we covered very clearly. Write without saying, sir. That literally helps you. Tell me, what is the first topic? Tell me, sir. Introduction, series introduction, none value, series attribute, series method, data frame introduction, loading the different files, series attribute, series methods. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. Data frame attributes. Next one is data frame method, data frame renaming column, index, data frame in place parameter. We are pretty clear, I guess. I don't want to give exception, not even a single topic also. Be strong in all this topic. Now we are entering into the topic. Topic name is called as what exactly? Handling missing value. Let me start the discussion. Handling the missing value. Come on, come on. Yeah. Handling missing value. Good. First of all, let me tell you what is a missing value. What exactly, sir? Missing value. Once you understand this missing value, then I can help you. What is the missing value actually? Good. Assuming that we announce our demo, we announced what exactly, sir? Data science demo actually. So students attended. Students came for the demo. Students came for the demo actually. Then management, management, given white paper, for offline team. For what exactly, sir? Offline team. And management is asking three details actually. What is the first one? What happened? First one is a name. Next one will be, is age matters actually? Not required, sir. Mobile number. Next one is mail ID. Mail ID. Good. Now the first one is a name. Next one is a mobile. Next one is what exactly? Mail ID. The first one is what exactly, sir? Do let me know. Name. Assuming that Nirikshan came for the demo, his mobile number, and Nirikshan at the ready. This is my personal mail ID, sir. Don't shoot any mail. Please share resume. All right. Next one will be Ranjan came for the demo. Yeah, Ranjan came for the demo, but Ranjan is missing. He didn't give his mail ID, assuming that. Is there any force actually? Is management will hold collar like this? Man, you have to provide mail ID, something like this. No, no, there is no force actually. Still, the point is an optional. Point is what exactly? Optional. Okay, good. One more lady came. Madam name is Rani, and she don't want to give her mobile number. It is okay. She given her mail ID. Cool. Next one more person came. Then so let me just try to tell. He given his number and provided mail ID. Something like a, let us just try to take Prasad at the rate. Something like one more person came. Name didn't given, mobile number didn't given, mail ID didn't given. I didn't understand why he came actually. Yeah, good sir. Now keep in mind that. Now coming to the discussion. Can I say management is collecting the data? Management is collecting what exactly? Data. Good. I would like to say this is the data collected by management. Once the data collection is done, it's a right time processing. It's a right time what exactly? Process the data. What do you mean by process the data? Let us use the data. Let us what exactly? Use the data. But before using, some validation required. What is required? What do you mean by validation? First row, all values would you have? Cool. I hope Rajeshwari ma'am, am I right? For your batch, who is handling? Rajeshwari ma'am. Rajeshwari ma'am, when she is looking into these details, okay, person name is available, mobile number is available, and mail ID is available, and she can call to this mobile number and she can directly talk what exactly? Hey Nirikshan, something like that discussion goes actually. Next one, Ranjan. Next one, mobile number she can call actually. Now, can I say mail ID is missing? Mail ID is? Sir, assuming that they are storing the data in a CSV file. They're storing the data in what exactly? CSV file. CSV file. Very good. Details.csv. Now, this data having the missing value. Now, let me tell you df1 equals to, tell me, df equals to pd dot, talk with me, sir, read underscore csv. We are loading the details. What is the details actually? Details.csv. Sir, what exactly happened? Whenever your CSV file, if your CSV file having the missing value, then pandas data frame backend representing missing values with NaN. Missing values with what exactly? NaN. Missing values with what exactly? NaN. Frankly speaking, this is called as a missing values. There may be a chance CSV file or else any file may having missing values, may having what exactly? That missing values, if you're trying to loading by using pandas represent that missing values with NaN. What is that one actually? Did you understand? First of all, good. Now it's a right time. We need to learn. See, there is a file having details actually. We came across having missing value. We came across what exactly? Missing values. We need to learn how to handle this missing value. How to handle what exactly? This missing value. This is seriously interesting. What is the time? 6:52. All right. I mean, if I started the topic, it takes some time. You're right, Bhupesh. When I'm talking about the Python, the empty object representation is NONE. Whenever you're talking about the pandas, I would like to say same. The instead of empty object, I would like to tell in such a way that, yeah, very good, sir. Missing, you connected actually. Missing value. But what is the data type? Any idea? Tell me. NaN. But what is the data type actually? Very good. What is this data type? None type. What is this data type? Seriously super. I hope you understand. Float 64, something like that actually. Conclusion of the story. Data frame may having missing value. The values can be missing. That is a very common, best example. Today, many students miswrote actually. Am I right or not, sir? I can say none, none, none. These are all things actually. Am I right or not? Good. Keep in mind that. All right. So let's continue this topic. I thought I can start actually. Good. Very good. Sir, small suggestion I will tell you. I will explain the topics like from scratch level. I will always think about your understanding. I never be hurry. Let me close this topic very quickly. Let me start new batch. No, no, no. My nature is not like that. I joined here not for 1 minute. Our sir is asking one question. Okay, you can ask two questions also, sir. Just I'm kidding. If I don't want index in changing index topic actually. If I don't want to change the index, do you mean do you don't want to change the index actually? In real time, we are not at all changing index. We are not at all changing index, but we are applying one method which is called as a set underscore index, which is called as what exactly? Set underscore important. Damn important, sir. This topic actually, this one when I will cover, this topic when I will cover, LOC and LOC topic. There is a topic, the topic name is called as a LOC and LOC. Oh, next topic only. I know which topic at what time I need to discuss. Tell me, sir. Yeah, cover actually. Right, good. Keep in mind that. Fine, then we done for today's session. Please give first priority for your preparation. First priority for your preparation. All right. We done for today's session. Tomorrow practice session as usual. Morning 7:30, online and offline mode actually. Both I will share with the link. Okay. Good. Did you understand today's session? Nice, sir. Yeah, let me upload the material, please. Give me a few minutes. Data frame renaming columns hidden. After this one, oh, let me upload here running notes. Let me upload here running notes. 5:30 and running notes. What happened, sir? Not uploading. Good. Let me upload next topic. Data analysis. I hope. What is the topic, sir? In place parameter, right? And let me upload handling missing values also. In place parameter, do I need to upload any file? Sales 3, something like that. 31, na? Oh, sure, sir. Let me upload that. You have to remind me, otherwise, I may mismap. 31. Yeah, correct. You're right. Let me upload next topic also. Our material literally helps you to understand the topics very well. 5:30, data analysis, handling missing value. Yeah. Fine then. We done for today's session. Please attend tomorrow practice session. Actually, tomorrow practice session, I will bring new example. Hold on for a few minutes. If you guys are asking, share the example. There are few comments from the offline team, online team. Srikan sir, thank you so much and for your nice comment actually. Uh, Kusuma, can you please provide any practical documents like you told you will give some topics to practice actually? Good. These 2 points let me take. Is online team left? Oh, many people. It is okay. Let me respect who are all in the call actually. Here are 2 points. Today's session was a nice and also learning experience for you. It really helpful actually. Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you for your nice comment actually. And Kusuma, sir, can you please provide any practical documents like so like you told you will give some topics to the practice. Sure. I will provide from one is Kegel. Next one is we do have our own example actually, our own example. And next one will be project discussion. Next one will be what exactly? Project discussion. When I'm talking about the pandas, let me finish the pandas, sir. You have, sorry for using that word, hell lot of examples, man. Lot of examples you would have actually. Come here, programs. Look at this one. These are all examples only. Like a folder wise, I have created such a nice example. If you are opening this one, basic steps, and if you are opening this one, you can find nicely. You can find out the examples like this. I will share the data set. This data set we have to load actually. Like this, lot of examples I have created. This is the one way. And removing the column names. First of all, understand the topic slowly by slowly. Removing the column names actually. Next one, generally, I would like to show the examples from the Kaggle. In my total career, I used to spend more with the 2 websites, not two, three websites actually. Yeah, very good. The first one is what exactly, sir? Stack Overflow, my favorite website. First one is Stack Overflow. Second one will be Kaggle. Second one will be what exactly? Third one will be Medium. What is the next third one? Don't ask Telugu medium or English medium actually, right? This is the website name, right? Now let me open Kaggle, Stack Overflow, and here go to the tags, and here you can search for pandas. Man, you know what? These are all real-time examples. These are all. This is the real-time example. Question and answer it is having real-time example. Question and answer. I will tell you. Please be patient. See, slowly by slowly, I will give you injection actually. Did you understand? Yeah, slowly by slowly you will understand. Now the next one will be Kaggle. Kaggle. Yeah, once you open a Kaggle, what you can do, just try to come here. Let me sign out. Don't want to show my profile. Good. Now click on code here actually. Click on here, pandas. What you need to click on, sir? Pandas. Arey man, pandas. Lot of examples, 100 plus. I wanted to see total. Oh my God. Seriously. Click on this one. Sir, that's what I told. I used one word. What is the word actually? Hell lot of example. When I click on pandas, how many examples you can see here? Do you think 60? 6,000? How many? 6 lakhs. All are real-time scenarios. But let me tell you, you don't need to prepare all actually. I will tell you what to prepare. But to prepare all these examples, you should be strong in our material. You should be what exactly? Sir, be strong in our material. Any other example you can understand like this actually. Are you getting? Fine then. So who asked this question? Kusuma, did you understand? Kusuma Reddy. So tomorrow I cannot attend as I'm having. Oh, sure. Can you please give me topics to practice? Definitely. I can share our group actually. All right. Fine. Then we done for today's session, sir. And tomorrow is a practice session. Saturday, every Saturday, no regular session. Keep in mind that only practice. Only practice will help you. We done for today's session. I'm sorry if my word hurts anyone actually. I'm extremely sorry, sir. Just to motivate you only. I never hurt anyone actually. Are you done? Thank you. We done for today's session. Please take care. Take care, sir. Yes, yes.